Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Maniacs. It's your B Mitchie, let you here with another episode of Toys and Things. And today's video is going to focus on an doll review, an 18-inch Adora Amazing Girls doll review that I recently got off of Amazon, and I can't wait to open her up so I can meet her and you guys can too. So let's just get into it. Alrighty, everyone. So I recently got this off of Amazon, and they're called Adora Amazing Girls, and I do believe these are Amazon exclusives, at least what I looked up and saw. It seems all the 18-inch dolls that they have on there are Amazon exclusive. I don't know if they make them for other companies or other businesses or what have you. That would be just a normal brand, but either which way, these are all considered to be Amazon exclusives. Maybe that is why they're called Amazing Girls, a takeoff of Amazon. Again, I'm not sure. I didn't dig that far into it. I just got her off Amazon and I looked at all the other dolls and they all just seem to be Amazon exclusive dolls. So normally, you know, all my 18 inches dolls are always, obviously, if you've watched any of my channels or any of my other videos, which please do, are usually American Girls. I do have a Journey Girls 18-inch doll that I haven't opened up yet, and then I have, of course, I have this one, and at the top of my head, I can't think that I have any more that's not American Girl. So this doll, I saw, and I just absolutely had to have her. I actually had seen her on Amazon a while ago, and then she actually popped up on a Mercari listing that was like, you know, opened up or whatever, and I was like, oh, what's that doll? And then I looked at the listing and saw that it was an Adora doll, and then I went on Amazon and saw her, and I was like, yes. So let me just go ahead and buy her and check her out and see if I like her. But her main aesthetic for this doll is something that I just absolutely had to have, because her aesthetic is just screams me all the way. So let's just go ahead and open her up, because I'm very excited. And as you guys know, if you've watched my videos before, and if you haven't, if you're new here, definitely welcome. You know, do all the likey, subscribey, clicky stuff. And oh, also sometimes I forget to, you know, I'll put my little Instagram little ding there, so you follow me on Instagram, please. And where I post a lot of more photos and toy hunts and finds and toy shows and all that good. So anyway, back to the doll. So got her off Amazon, and let's just go ahead and open her up. And I believe she retailed, I'll go ahead and I'll put the retail price right here somewhere, maybe there, maybe here, maybe there, somewhere around here. So let's just go ahead and open her up, and do excuse my camera settings here. I'm filming this late at night, and I just wanted to film late at night at 4 o'clock in the morning, and so it might be kind of dark in my hand, filming with one hand. So excuse all that, and then of course the floor setting, but sometimes it's best to just put things on the floor and open them up, so you get that nostalgic feel of a kid on Christmas morning. So here we go. Whee! Okay. So, oh yes, now it just popped into my head. This is how my brain works, everybody. I was saying, before I open up the box, I was saying, if you're new here and you don't know, I'm a big collector of toys, mostly girls' toys, vintage and modern. But when I get new hauls in or new things in, either shopping or from the mail or what have you, I don't open them until I open them on camera, live or live per se, for you guys to see. So my reactions are real and my reactions are genuine. So there's like literally, I have tons of toys, especially these new toys, dolls, everything, that are still brand new in their packages that I haven't even opened up yet. because I haven't filmed videos on them, because I definitely like for you guys to get my real-time reactions to the product, and you will always get a real-time honest review. Yeah, because I'm not sponsored or endorsed by anybody, and even if I was, I'd still be giving you an honest review, so it doesn't matter. So all right, so cool paper. Liking the paper. So, you know, kind of like your good old American, oh, thick. It's not tissue-y, like American Girl is like very tissue paper. This is like thick paper. It's really, really pretty. I like the fonts of the words, and of course the color being pink. So I'm excited to just flap open. Oh, I'm so excited to see what she looks like. Oh dear. They got her head twisted up in there. You see that? That's just like my first, like, literally reaction. Like, what the? Alright, that's... Sorry, guys. Again, I'm filming with one hand and digging in with the other. Ugh. Might have to take a little break here and get her out of the box there. But as you can see, her outfit is super cute. Like, if that doesn't scream me, I don't know what does. And then even, let's get a little peek at some of her accessories, her shoes. I believe that's her purse. Yeah, so let me go ahead and sit her up here so we can get a better view and turn her head around. Alrighty, everyone, I am back, and through the magic of editing, that is literally a millisecond for you guys, and through me, it was not. Kind of weird, getting her out of the package. Guess I got so used to opening up American Girl dolls. So here's a few pointers if you guys are interested in any of these Adora dolls. They turn their heads, like if you guys noticed when I first opened the packaging, her head was turned. They turn their heads because I'm guessing like their heads are like long ways, and they didn't make the box big enough is what I want to say, or I should say wide enough to fit the doll in the box without having to turn her head like it was. So that was kind of weird. And then some good pointers is how they have their, where you see like her headrest would be kind of like American Girl has, was just kind of like an elastic band. It was like easy for me to just like go in there and unhook the band and get her head out. Yeah, so that wasn't too bad. And another thing I actually liked was where her arms and legs were tied in. As you can see there, those are like actually just ribbons, like no plastic, none of that, no zip ties, no plastic, any of that. They were pretty easy to cut, and I definitely would probably say more environmental friendly than the plastic. So yeah, the ribbons was a cute little thing, and I kind of like that idea. Did not have, you know, the styrofoam around the hands and feet like an American Girl doll does, and the reason why they do that is to protect the hands and feet from the wrist ties, but also to protect it when you grab your scissors or your cutter or whatever it may be, you know, getting too close to the doll, and then you might scratch or cut the doll. So that's another reason why they put those styrofoam things there, so you don't damage the doll. So alright, so out of the box, I have to say that thick paper was kind of a pain in the bootay, because kind of hard to get out of the way and actually look at the doll. So normally I would just, you know, look at her without taking her off, and I would take her off camera and drop some pictures later, but I actually totally had to take her out of the box, 100% out of the box. So this doll has some head movement that I got to say is pretty weird. She's definitely got more head articulation than an American Girl doll. Her toes, I don't know what it is. I guess I'm just so used to American Girl doll. But yeah, I mean, hands, looks like her legs are thinner than what an American Girl doll is, and she has this body where it's kind of plush but kind of not, like it's almost like a, I want to say like breastplate It's like kind of where it's still vinyl right here, but soft. It's like literally soft where my thumb's poking out, and then hard where my thumb is poking now. Her outfit is totally adorable. I mean, I want more of these outfit made so I could put it on other dolls. And looks like it's a two-piece, but it's not. It is not a two-piece. It's actually sewn. I checked, and she is wearing panties. Not that I really want to be showing that, but she is wearing panties. And like I said, this is basically a one-piece outfit. It is not separate. It is sewn kind of right in the middle there. So yeah, I mean, in the back, and her hair is tied and tied up so it, you know, doesn't get, I guess, box hair, but it is supposed to be just kind of like long and wavy. And well, actually, it's just made however because it's made for you to style and play with. That's kind of the point of the doll. And this is obviously rooted hair. This is not a wig. At least I don't think so. Nope, that is not a wig. That is rooted. So, you know, you're meant to take those out of the weird buns there and, you know, play with her. She does have the open and closed eyes. She does have painted on eyelashes a little bit right there at the top and the bottom. Kind of like gappy in the eyes right there in her eye sockets. She has definitely a prominent little nose. Lips could be a little bit more colorful, cheeks a little bit more colorful. You know, obviously not heavy makeup, but just a tad bit more pinkish or rosy. So yeah, all in all, and let me remember, guys, I'm filming with one hand, and let's do a little tricky there. Yes, so and hair quality, I would say is not bad. Feels soft. It doesn't feel too thin either. You can't really see anything in there. I'll be dropping better pictures of this doll once I get her out of those headbands and stuff. And she does come with shoes, which I think are really adorable. And she comes with a purse. So let's take a look-see. Shoes are really cute. Pink at the bottom, kind of like, almost look like boots. Well, obviously boots, but almost like they could even be rain boots, but long. I'll put them on later, and they feel, I probably would say, kind of cheapy, but then again, I guess I am spoiled with the American Girl quality. But they all can't be that, so especially at the price of $45, I want to say, compared to $110. Yeah, so, and then she does come with this cute little peppermint purse. I mean, this is just absolutely adorable. Obviously candy themed, but even good to put her for your dolls at Christmas time. Very, very cute purse. Clear, does have a working zipper, can fit goodies in there. Kind of reminds me of Corinne's accessories, because she has a book bag purse or whatever that's like clear. I haven't opened up her accessory pack yet, so I haven't really taken a good look at that. But yeah, cute little peppermint purse and shoes, and there she is. So I'll drop some pictures in this video, probably right around here or at the end, but so you get to see her all dressed up, or all fully dressed with her bag and her shoes. Still kind of weirded out about the body there, so it's not 100% like all plush here. Her arms do move out to a point, but her head articulation is and she's definitely can move much more than an American Girl head, that's for sure. But all in all, I would definitely say she's cute. She does have pretty brown eyes there. The outfit is just awesome. Oh, and I forgot, she did come with let me reach for that because I did forget. She did come with, I want to say this is her birth certificate, or no, it's her information card. So it just says, "Hi, I'm Candy." That's her name. Only at Amazon. So I guess this is an Amazon exclusive. And it just tells you all about the doll. And her name is Candy. And cute little picture of a little girl. Cute little card here. So I guess that wraps up this video. I can't wait to really play with her hair and get her dressed up and get her little snuggle time with me. And yeah, all in all, I would say she's cute and definitely worth the $45 for sure. So yeah, alright guys, that ends it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me on this fun little ride of opening up a new doll that's not American Girl. And definitely check me out on Instagram and do all the clicky things that I like to talk about. Help me out to grow, and thank you so much for your support. And definitely drop a comment and tell me if you have one of these dolls, or if you plan on getting one of these dolls, or if you really like these dolls. So definitely check out the Amazon Adora page, and they definitely do have some cute dolls in this series. And they just dropped a couple of new ones, and another one has pink hair, and I got my eyes on her. So because you know I love my pink haired pastel themed, whatever, sweets themed dolls. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Isn't that how I always say bye 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 with their little hands? You know how I like to just yeah.